Hello, this is Ashley from Crafting with Ashley and welcome to this video. This is the card we're going to be making today. It's just this lovely little card using these vases and flowers. Now this was a set actually designed by one of my fellow demonstrators in America, Mary Fish, and it was in honour of the fact that she made £1 million in sale, $1 million in sales. Can you believe it? $1 million? I can only dream. But this came out in the previous catalogue and I've just never used it, so I thought, no, I'm going to use it now. So it's exactly what I'm going to do. So I have my little vases initially set up in my Stamparatus here, and I'm going to ink them up and then stamp them. Card, we're going to have our base of this one is Shady Spruce, and then I'm going to have on top of it a piece of Whisper White, my normal mat size of 10 centimeters by 14.35 centimeters. So I'm going to put that piece into the Stamparatus now, and now I'm going to stamp our quote, because it's best to stamp this first, because then you know what space you have to arrange your vases and everything. So stick that in, pick it up with the lid, just put that back in position, and now I'm going to stamp that with some Memento, one of my favourite black inks. Doesn't smell, it cleans off easily, I love it. Okay, and it stamps beautifully, as you can see. So just clean that off again and take that away. Now I'm going to do this little border that I have that you can see around it. So I'm going to just do that border now. I'm going to use this little border stamp from the set. And let's see, we're going to put the first one around there. So all you're going to do is same thing, down, pick it up, and then you're going to ink it up. And press down. Lovely. Now all I'm going to do is take my piece of cardstock and flip it round and then ink it again. Isn't that marvellous? Easy way to do borders. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to do the centre, so I'm going to just clean this off. So I have a clean stamp to arrange, and now I'm going to do just up here. Now I'm going to use Call Me Clover again to fill in my little border. Beautiful. See how easy it is with the Stamparatus? So there we have our little border and our sentiment stamped. So now it's time to punch out our vases. So I'm just going to close this up still with my piece in it, and just set it aside for a second. And bring back our vases. Now this is the punch that goes with the set, and you get the two together. Okay, so now I'm just going to start punching out all my vases, and I'll be back. Okay, last vase to punch. There we go. There's all the vases punched. Get rid of all of this other mess so we don't get confused, or at least I get confused. Okay, so those are our 4 little, 1 or 5 little vases. Okay, so now I'm going to bring back my Stamparatus and I'm going to arrange my vases here roughly where I think I want them to go. Something like that. And the reason I'm arranging them now is that I want to see where I'm going to have to stamp my flowers because I don't want to have my vase too high up and then find my flowers are going to get stuck in the sentiment or something like that. So lovely. So that is all our stamping done at last. So take that out, move that aside. Okay, bring this back in here, and now we're going to just do some very quick colouring of our flowers. So now I'm going to stick that down, and you can see here I made a boo-boo the first time I did this, so I had to redo it. So you can see all of us make boo-boos. Oh, my snail's just given up on me. Yep, so adhesive on the back, card base out, stick it down. There we go, lovely. Bring back our vases, turn them upside down. We're going to put dimensionals on the back here. Now it's time to stick our vases down. So get these little dimensional backs off. And let's put our vases down. So let's do this next blueberry bushel one. There we go. And now I always want to put this vase upside down. I don't know what it is, but for me it just doesn't feel I don't know why I feel it should be the other way around, but I do. See, I wanted to do it again. I'm actually going to see if I can. Oh, that's fine. Okay, so that's what we have. Finishing touches. So, if I can get them. Some rhinestones initially. I'm just going to use these baby ones here. Everything is not wanting to work today. It's one of those days. Okay, one down. Another one to go. Come here, rhinestone, please. Be nice to me. Okay, and then we're going to be using these metallic pearls here. We'll be using the gold colour. Oh, it's stuck together. There we go. Okay, so that's the one I just made. That's the one I made earlier. Thank you for sticking through all of that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any information on the project, it'll be on the blog post that goes with this video, and the link to my website is below. There's also a link to a craft group I've started on Facebook called All Things Crafted, Crafting with Oshi. So please check that out. And thank you for watching again. Until next time, bye!